Hi, my name is Barbara Drizin. Many of you may know me from my work with Josh or my own coaching webinars and groups. Today, I'm going to speak to you from my social media and technology life. I created this group for Dr. Coleman and estranged parents and grandparents with only 100 members. Now we've grown to over 5,000 members, and we have wonderful, dedicated volunteer admins who strive to keep this group a safe place. Before you are admitted, you must agree to the rules of the group. And one of those rules for admittance is that you must set your Facebook profile to public so we can be assured of who you are. After you're admitted, you can change your profile back to whatever privacy settings you want. So let me show you how to do that. I will share my screen. And let me go to Facebook. So you can see that when we sign into Facebook, we land on what's called our home tab. This is the place of our news feed. We will see posts from people who are our friends, pages we like, and groups that we are in. So when you see a post that's from a private group like Dr. Coleman's group, you can feel secure. You're only seeing it because it's your personal news feed. Nobody else can see your news feed. So if I go to my profile picture and I click on settings and privacy and then settings again, I will come to this page. First, I'll be able to see all of my Facebook information. I can download a copy if I want to, look at my activity log. However, if I click on privacy, okay, so if I want to check a few important settings, you will come to this page. And here, Facebook gives a really good explanation of who can see what you share, how to find people, how to keep your account secure, your Facebook ad preferences, and more. But for now, let's look at privacy. And here we can see that your activity, who can see your posts, it's public, okay? And who can send you friend requests? Everyone. And who can look you up? Everyone. Right now, my personal profile is public. After you are accepted to the group, you can edit it and you can change it from public to friends or only me if you don't use your Facebook that much. Who can send you friend requests? You can change it instead of to everyone, just to friends of people you know, but you will be able to move your Facebook settings back the way you want to, but to be accepted to this group, we need to see it as public. So I just want to show you that once you go to the group, you can always look at our group rules again. And this is one of the questions you're going to be asked. Do you agree to the rules? The rules are that in the beginning, your Facebook profile is public, so we can confirm who you are, that this is group for Dr. Coleman, those that follow him, his philosophy, wants to know about his events, webinars, Q&As, that we treat each other with validation and compassion, kindness and courtesy. There's no judgment. Everybody's situation and challenges are complex to them. We don't talk about religious or political views as well as hate speech or bullying. Privacy is paramount. You are not allowed to make any screenshots of posts and share them. And if you violate these rules, you will be taken out of this group. If you look on the homepage of this group, once you're admitted, you'll see that you can look at different guides that are available for you. You can look at featured posts where I usually present the upcoming free Q&A and the link that's there. You can look up different members and you can private message them if you see someone wrote something that sounds interesting to you. Under events, you will be able to see when the next Q&A is. Under files, you'll see different files that we've been able to upload as the time has gone by. And so I want to thank our admins who do an unbelievable job at keeping us safe. So please abide by the rules, and in order to be accepted, your profile needs to be public. If you have any questions, you can email me at Barbra, B-A-R-B-R-A, at barbradrizin.com. My last name is D-R-I-Z-I-N. Thank you so much.